Whatever the model or make, your car will need maintenance over its lifetime. Over time, manufacturers have altered the way they notify owners of impending repairs. Service stations used to put stickers to alert us when our cars needed maintenance in the engine bay, on the door jambs, or in the upper left corner of the windshield. Manufacturers later created maintenance indicator lights, which would turn on approximately every 5,000 miles. Manufacturers these days, like Honda, have their own unique reminder systems in place. Honda indicates which service is due by using service codes. The Honda Maintenance A12 code is one of the most often reported service codes. The Service Due Soon A12 code alerts you to the need for regular auto maintenance. Any Honda model that makes use of the maintenance minder system has the ability to set this code. Therefore, you might occasionally see the A12 service code if you drive a Civic, CR-V, Accord, Ridgeline, HR-V, Pilot, or Odyssey automobile. How Honda codes the services. Honda has developed a novel system that is comparatively simple to understand. The initial letter designations, A and B, denote the primary service items. Numbers come after the letter designations. The sub-services are denoted by the numbers. Service A denotes the need to replace engine oil without an oil filter. The complexity of Service B is higher. It indicates that the oil filter and engine oil need to be changed. There should be more inspections and services carried out. All the sub-services you can see in the table. Any combination of numbers can be used. The A12 service. We can deconstruct the requirements for the A12 service using Honda's above service coding system. A. Replace engine oil without an oil filter. 1. Rotate the tires, check the condition of the tire or tires, and adjust the tire pressure. 2. Change the cabin or pollen air filter, examine the drive belt, and replace the air cleaner element. Changing the engine oil. The following are a few steps to changing the oil. Take off the oil fill cap. Utilize jack stands to elevate and stabilize the car. Take out the drain plug for engine oil. Take out and replace the oil filter. Replace the gasket around the drain plug. Put the drain plug back in. Add engine oil. Tire rotation. The following are a few steps involved in doing a tire rotation. Unscrew the wheel lug nuts. Utilize jack stands to elevate and stabilize the car. Take off the wheels and lug nuts. Rotate tires in accordance with the owner's manual's instructions. Install the lug nuts and wheels. Lower the car. Adjust lug nuts to the proper torque specification. Drive belt inspection. Usually, a visual inspection is the only kind of drive belt inspection. Look for tears and cracks in your drive belt. Replace the drive belt if there are wear indicators on it. Engine air filter replacement. An engine air filter replacement is a pretty simple process. To access the engine, open the hood. Take off the cover for the air cleaner. Take out the air filter and replace it. Put the air cleaner cover back on. Pollen or cabin air filter replacement. The cabin filter is usually found behind the glove box in Honda vehicles. Take these actions. Slide the glove box open. Unhook the damper hook on the glove box. Press the glove box stops inward to release them. The glove box should hang. Take off the air filter cover. Take out the air filter and replace it. Put the lid back on. Put the glove box damper in place. Resetting the maintenance reminder. To get rid of the code, you'll need to reset the reminder after your service is finished. After performing a repair shops occasionally neglect to reset the maintenance minder system. You might only need to reset the reminder if the A12 code shows up on your information display after your Honda was recently serviced. So, that's it. It was a A12 Honda maintenance service.